Manchester United are reportedly keeping tabs on Borussia Mönchengladbach forward Marcus Thuram. According to Rudo Garretti, Manchester United are really interested in the player and are monitoring the situation surrounding him. Thuram's career has taken a sharp leap in the last 2 years. Many around Germany wrote him up due to his poor attitude and injury concern. Thuram put in the hard work and is now reaping the benefits. For Gladbach this season, he has scored 13 goals in 17 games across all competition. The Frenchman is in the prime of his life and has stormed his way into the French squad for the World Cup. Former manager Marco Rose spoke about Thuram during his time at Gladbach. Marcus is a footballer who benefits greatly from his physique and stature. Nevertheless, he is also a fine technician who can always deal with situations in tight space. Marcus is far from the end of his development. There is a lot more to come from him. His pace and movement around the box make him a tempting option for Manchester United. Erik ten Hag said like dynamism in the final threat, and Thuram could provide that. Inter Milan are signed to be advanced stock into sign Thuram, but will need to sell to generate enough money. Manchester United are reportedly keeping tabs on Borussia Mönchengladbach forward Marcus Thuram. According to Rudo Garretti, Manchester United are really interested in the player and are monitoring the situation surrounding him. Thuram's career has taken a sharp leap in the last 2 years. Many around Germany wrote him up due to his poor attitude and injury concern. Thuram put in the hard work and is now reaping the benefits. For Gladbach this season, he has scored 13 goals in 17 games across all competition. The Frenchman is in the prime of his life and has stormed his way into the French squad for the World Cup. Former manager Marco Rose